How to recover deleted call history on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to recover deleted call history on your iPhone. If you've ever missed a call and could not find it in your recent calls, this video is for you. Did you know that your iPhone has a default limit of 100 call history entries? This includes dialed call, missed call, and received calls. Once you hit that limit, all the entries get deleted automatically. But here's a little trick that you can do. If you want to see some recently deleted call history, you can actually do this. You can actually go and delete all the unwanted call history from your list, and once you do that, you can check the bottom of your call history list and you might be surprised to find that you can see a few more details, and it can add up to 150 entries. This means if you missed a couple of days of calls, you might be able to retrieve that important number you thought was lost. So, next time you are looking for a missed call, remember this simple trick. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.